Hello and welcome to this session of Kabir's Car Spa. Today we have this beautiful BMW X5 Sports that has come in for a complete paint restoration and protection treatment. As you can see closely on the edges and body panels, the paint had been worn off. This usually happens due to unprofessional polishing, or the polishing has been done repeatedly over time, which slowly reduces the thickness of the original clear coat and paint. But on the edges you can see, due to the improper polishing, the paint has been burnt. The paint has been burned due to the wrong use of the polishing pads. When a proper professional is not using the pad properly, then when it is due to the excessive heat, the paint gets burnt and it has to be repainted. The original paint of the car is a lifetime gift for the car, which has to be protected. The repaint cannot be compared with the original company paint. That is why we always try to save the original car paint. This car was bought for a free full painting, but after inspecting, it was decided only some parts we will repaint and the other parts will be brought to the original finish with a paint correction, because full painting will increase the cost. So it was decided to paint only parts which could not be corrected with the paint correction. To give the car the best paint as far as possible, we have the best modern amenities for the car paint needs. Which requires a repaint. To restore the wake properly, the affected panels were repainted with a 100% paint match, ensuring that the color blends perfectly with the factory finish. After repainting, we perform a 3-step paint correction and compounding process to remove minor imperfections, level the surface and enhance the gloss of the paint. The ceramic coat being coated on the car, it is a protection for the car to keep the car free from the car fades, bird drops and other elements, which is guaranteed for a lifetime and which needs a regular maintenance service to preserve the coat. For this purpose, we are giving a 2 years free maintenance servicing on the ceramic coats we do for our customers, and from the 3rd year at a nominal cost per year we do the paid servicing for your cars to get the best value for money. And finally, the vehicle was protected with Borofine ceramic coating, creating a strong protective layer over the paint. This coating enhances the shine, protects against environmental damages and keeps the car looking new for years. That's how we bring this BMW X5 back to its original showroom since China here at Kabir's Cars Spa. Thanks for watching the video.